I bet. Oh, you got it. I'd have to bring the magnet over. I was gonna tell you I forgot the magnet.
I don't know if it's Doc Doctors or what. See if it's close to 2 barrels. You lowering it?
I just want to get video. I'm hitting it. Both of them? Here, I'll try the other one.
Try the other one. Try the other one. Might have to hit them both.
There it is. Moved from there to there.